Okay, so this is a test to record the sound of rotating the engine by hand. I'm just going to set the phone aside and hopefully you guys can hear it okay. Okay, so that is the scraping, rotating counterclockwise. It scrapes both directions, but that's gotten too tight for me to rotate any further. Less resistance when I go clockwise. I can still hear the scraping, and then it frees up right there. And it feels normal. No scraping. And then it starts to scrape again.